Okay, we're going to do a tutorial of how to apply to CU Denver and walk through the application. First, to find application, you can just Google CU Denver application. Click the first thing that pops up, how to apply. Click apply now. And then sign up with email if it's your first time applying. Go ahead and create your account. Remember, for all college applications, you're going to want to use your personal email address. Put in your information, and then do a password. Again, that is easy for you to remember. I always recommend DSST 2021 exclamation point. Put your birth date. That's not my real birthday, just putting like a sample student, and then keep moving forward. I'm actually going to switch to this now. Great, I'm going to get a confirmation email with my information as well. I'm going to continue to my application. I'm going to start new application. You're going to apply for an undergraduate admission because that is for a bachelor's degree. And then we're going to get started. So to begin, there's going to be a lot of information that will be here on the screen. The first thing you want to do is submit what education you have completed. You have not graduated yet from high school. You will in the spring, but you haven't yet. You're going to put your information in here. Again, put as much information as you need. You're going to put your address in here. I'm going to use actually the school address since this is a fake account. Use the same permanent address, your information, what gender you identify. If you don't want to respond, you don't have to. Your birth date again. So again, most of this is pretty basic information that you should be able to have. What country of citizenship you have. If you are someone who has citizenship not United States, you will need to again put the country you have citizenship for. If you don't have a social security number, you can leave this blank. If you don't remember it, it's best to put your social security number in there because that will help link your financial aid account, but you don't have to do it right now. But if you have your social, please put it in there. Put what race you identify with, and then click continue. For military affiliation, if you're a male, then you have a couple options. If you've not registered or selected service, you can click no. If you have already done it, click yes. If you're someone who's already done the FAFSA, go ahead and click yes because the FAFSA will register for you. If you're a female, leave this question blank. Are you affiliated with the military whatsoever? If you are, click yes. If not, then click no. Has anyone in your family been an active member of the military? No one in my family has been, so I'm going to click no. For enrollment, this is really crucial. You're going to click fall 2021. You're going to choose a major. For doing the degree online, click no. We're going to do a full list of majors. I'm going to study biochemistry. That was my major in college. I'm not interested in health careers track. If you are, click yes. For this purpose, if you know if you're going to live at home, click at home. If you think there's a chance you live on campus, go ahead and click CU Denver Housing, then click continue. You're then going to add your school. Again, you're going to find and type in DSST, find college, view high school, put in the information as in Denver, in Colorado. Dates attended, if you're a senior, you attended from August 2017 to May of 2021. That's when you will graduate. Level of study, you'll put high school. Degree will be high school diploma. You put your GPA, say I have a 3.5 on a 4 scale. Don't worry about credit hours. You do not need to put anything for credit hours or major. And then click Save. You'll click Continue. And then for this one, you're going to want to be careful with these ones. So please pay attention carefully to this. For your English classes, you're going to put, again, length of class taken. You can do 4+ years. Put English. For math classes, we do things a little bit differently at College View. So you're going to put Algebra 1, 1 year. Click Add a Class. Algebra 2, 1 year. Add a class. Put Geometry, 1 year. Add a class. And then other advanced math, that'll be pre-calc, 1 year. If you're someone who's currently in calculus, what you will do is add calculus. If you're in AB, put 1 year. If you're in BC, put 2 years. So again, I'm going to put 2 years if I'm in BC. If you have any questions, this is a great time to send a chat to your application manager, but your page should look like this. Everyone should have Algebra 1, everyone should have Algebra 2, everyone should have Geometry, everyone should have Advanced Math, and Calculus is the only if you are taking Calculus currently or if you're in BC. For natural science classes, you're going to do Biology, 1 year. You're going to do Chemistry, 1 year. You're going to do Physics, 1 year. Everyone will have this. This is something that everyone will have. You then have an option that if you are doing something like AP Chemistry, you're going to click Other Natural Science with Lab. Click 1 year. If you're doing Environmental Science, you also do this. If you're in Physics, you also will do this as well. Most of y'all will not click Other Natural Science without Lab. You'll click this one. If you're in both AP Chem and AP Physics, you can do 2 years. So again, make sure you think of all your classes, but you must have biology, chemistry, and physics. For social science, you're going to do geography. Humanities counts as geography, so do that for your class. United States history, 1 year. World history, 1 year. And then civics is your last one. That's going to be for 1 trimester. If you're currently in AP Psychology, you'll put this here. So you'll put Other Social Science, 1 year if you're in AP Psychology. Everyone must put Geography, United States history, World history, and Civics. If you're in AP Psychology, put this one right here. For foreign language classes, if you're taking Spanish and you've taken it for 3 years, put 3 years. If you're in AP Spanish Literature, you can put 4 years, but everyone should put at least 3 years. And for elective classes, what you need to put, if you've taken art, put that for 1 year. If you've taken any of these other courses like newspaper, yearbook, or anything, if you've not, then just put other academic elective and put 2 years. The reason why is that electives have looked differently at College View throughout your time. You have done enough to graduate. We want to make sure that you don't have to worry about taking any extra classes. If you need to go back and watch parts of this video, please do so that you can make sure that all your courses are entered in correctly. Looks like we're loading a little bit. All right, for test scores, if you don't have any, you don't need to put any, so we can just click continue. For family, go ahead and add members of your family. such as your mom, your dad, your legal guardian, or step parents. Let's say if I was to add some of my family, I'll just put my name. If you don't have all the information, that's okay. Put as much information as you have and answer the questions. Again, put as much information about your parents. You don't need to put siblings. Most of you all are not this, an unaccompanied youth. If you think that you are, you should talk to your application manager. For continue, for residency, if you plan to claim Colorado in-state tuition, click yes, and then answer the questions that follow. Will you be under the age of 23? Yes. Have you attended Colorado high school? Almost all of you have. Are you submitting this application within 12 months of your graduation date? Yes. Conduct history. If you received an OSS, you will need to report that. If you only received an ISS, then you do not need to report that. So again, hopefully you don't have any academic misconduct. If so, talk to your application manager. If you have any criminal charges, you do need to report those. If you don't, then click no for all these questions. You can opt into communication plans if you would like to do so, but you do not have to. And then at the end, you'll put your full legal name. This is a fun fact, I have 2 middle names. And on free app day, there will be a space for you to type in the free code. It's not here today, but the free app day code for CU Denver is going to be free app day CO. So when it prompts, you should have that show up. You'll submit your application, it'll have you enter a promo code, and you should type in free app day CO. Since I'm not actually applying, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video. Please feel free to go back and watch it to help you apply to the University of Colorado at Denver.